Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're talking about the Chicco Keyfit 30 infant car seat. It can carry infants between 4 to 30 pounds and 30 inches tall. In terms of design, the Keyfit 30 has a wide ergonomic handle to make carrying on your forearm more comfortable. For brand new babies between 4 to 11 pounds, it comes with a removable pad to keep them snug and safe. The canopy keeps your baby protected from the elements, and the seat fabric is machine washable. The padded 5-point harness also has a tightener to make adjustments easy. Its included base has a smooth underside to protect your vehicle seat, and its spring-loaded leveling foot will help you get the appropriate recline. You can install the Keyfit 30 in a few different ways. We'll start by showing you how to install it with the base by using the vehicle seat belt. Begin by placing the base on the seat and adjust the angle by pushing both of the recline buttons until the indicator shows the bubble between the arrows. Route the vehicle belt through the openings in the base. Buckle the seatbelt. Push down on the base with one hand and pull out the slack with the other. Keep the tension on the belt and then slide it under the shoulder belt lock off on the opposite side. Feel free to manually lock the vehicle seatbelt as well. Use the base handles to check your installation, making sure that the base does not move more than 1 inch at the belt path. Double check that the base is still level. If you prefer to use the latch method instead, begin by placing the base on the seat and adjust the recline angle until the indicator shows the bubble between the arrows. Pull the lower connectors out of their storage compartments within the base. You may need to pull up on the latch release lever to loosen the straps. From there, attach the lower connectors to their respective lower anchors. Then push down on the base with one hand and pull the super cinch latch tightener with the other to remove slack. Double check your installation as well as the recline bubble indicator. Roll up any excess latch strap webbing and store it in its storage slot. From here, simply click the seat onto the base until it locks. Pull up on the handle to make sure that it's secure. To unhook it from the base, squeeze the release handle on the back of the Keyfit 30 and lift. Because the car seat also has a belt path option, you can also install it without the base. We'll show you how to do that now. Begin by placing the Keyfit 30 onto the vehicle seat in rear-facing mode. Double check that the level line marker on the side is level with the ground. Pull the seatbelt down and guide the lap portion through the seatbelt guides on each side. Buckle the seatbelt, pull out all of the slack in the shoulder belt and lock off the seatbelt. Check your installation, making sure that the carrier does not move more than 1 inch front to back or side to side. Double check to make sure it's still level with the ground. The Chicco Keyfit 30 is one of the easiest car seats to use, and its sleek design makes it a stylish piece of gear. Thanks for watching. To shop this car seat or any other car seats, go to babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on all orders $25 or more. To learn more about one of our other favorite infant car seats, check out this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.